Hey everybody, it's Christmas week. We're having some mac and cheese with peas in it to help with the vegetables and some chicken. And Michael is eating it up. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Buddy, look, everybody's having some. Grandma's having some, Mommy's having some, and you're having some. For some reason, Mama's got Law and Order on the television.
When he was sleeping, that's what,
Want another bite?
He's got so much food in his mouth. He hoards it in his cheeks.
Want another bite?
He's got enough in his mouth.
Say, Mama, give me another bite. Ah!